4 dead from Sunday morning crash in Trelawny. Man accused of firing at vehicle during ambush attempt arrested. Intruder fatally shot by cops at Hunts Bay Police Station.
Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details.
4 men died as a result of a pre-dawn motor vehicle crash in Trelawny on Sunday morning. Preliminary information received by the news media is that shortly after 3 a.m., a Mark X motorcar with 4 men on board was heading towards Falmouth when, upon reaching a traffic light in the vicinity of the turn-off to Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium, the vehicle collided with the Audi motorcar, which was traveling in the opposite direction. 2 persons from the Audi and the 4 occupants of the Mark X all sustained injuries. 3 occupants of the Toyota Mark X reportedly died on the spot, and the 4th died at hospital. The condition of the occupants of the Audi, who were taken to a hospital, are not immediately known. 19-year-old Philip Sterling of Meggetop, Salt Spring in St. James was arrested and charged following a shooting incident at a section of the Salt Spring Main Road on January 21st. Reports from the police are that about 7:50 p.m., a man was driving his motor vehicle when Sterling allegedly emerged from behind a wall and opened fire at the vehicle. The driver of the vehicle escaped injuries and reported the incident to the police. An investigation was launched and Sterling was arrested and subsequently charged with shooting with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, using a firearm to commit a felony, and the possession of a firearm with intent to injure. A court date is being finalized, the police stated. A man was fatally shot by the police at the Hunts Bay Police Station in St. James, South Division near midnight on Saturday after 2 persons were detected on top of the lockup at the facility. The intruders were tackled by law enforcers, and after a reported exchange of gunfire, 1 man was found suffering from gunshot wounds, and a Glock 9mm pistol was seized by the police. The men are believed to have been on a mission to pass contraband into the lockup.